Welcome back to Rory's Workshop. Today we're going for a bit of a meander into the desert, see what there is to see. But first, I think I need some petrol. Damn. So we've arrived at where we're going to play around for the day. We've already crossed the river just over there. That was a little bit sketchy, but we weren't too sure whether we were going to film an episode today, but considering what I've just done, I thought it'd be good to film one. All the cameras are dying, so pretty standard for me. But yeah, I was having a look, see how damp it was, and the world fell out from underneath me. So Phil is now going back up onto this sort of harder terrain. That Dodge Durango, what an amazing machine. Yeah, his driving style is different to mine, that's all I'm going to say. But it is an incredible car. I've had it for the past couple of days whilst the FJ's been broken.
See, what you were lacking was speed and power. Well, I have plenty.
Yes. Probably about there, Phil. Maybe come over a bit. Maybe come over a little bit. Of course, you haven't got a friggin' rear tow hitch, have you? No. This is going to be sketchy as hell. Come over about 8 feet. So you got a straighter pull.
No.
That bit. Yeah, as long as you stay on the grass, it'd be fine. So we're going to get set up here. We're going to use a kinetic rope to extract this because it's the easiest thing for us to do. And yeah, I'll ask Daz to film because she's cute and she's good on the camera. Sweet! Finest Chinese soft chocolate. Yeah, just get it tight, drop back in the feet then.
Yeah. All right. Well done.
That were all right, were it? That was good. We survived, nobody died.
I'm going to leave the shackle on. Regardless if you pull me, I pull you, we're using a shackle on, isn't it?
Well, if we're pulling you from the front, we don't need one. We do this frigging great massive tour.
I'm not putting it back in the bag.
What? That's when you put... It's sharp as...
Wait, what is that?
It's a scorpion.
It's the insect.
No, put them away. So I think this episode is turning into what would you do in this situation? So hang on, I'm going to clean the lens. So we're driving through, I've been driving through. I'm still at road pressures, which I should drop to 12 psi maybe. But to be honest, the Saudis don't, and they seem to get on all right. But then again, they won't drive in this sort of stuff. We had rain here last week. We've had quite heavy rain for the past week. So this is really, the sand is quite hard in places, and you'll see sort of deep spots where my foot will just sink. What would you do here differently? What I'm going to do is put a kinetic rope onto the front and one onto the back of the Durango. I'm going to use a metal shackle on the Durango because he hasn't got a proper towing spot. We need to get a 2-inch receiver for it. But hopefully there'll be another FJ coming soon, so we'll be able to use that instead. So yeah, what would you do differently? I'm going to be in lower range second gear. Phil's going to get it tight, drop back a bit, and then go for it. And yeah, let me know. Right, I'll pass you over to Daz. We'll see how we get on.
I was going to turn it off and on again because it's locked in third.
Oh, is it? There's that soft sand again.
Hello.
What's this, Dad? I'm probably going to try and go right a bit, go around the back, because going left is going to be too easy.
How are you going to do right?
But once you put it out,
How are you going to get the rope off?
that's free to you. Okay, we'll see. I might go left. I'll go left.
I don't have much room, right, so... Hey!
Here? It's gonna move away.
Try and go right.
No.
That ain't that's it.
No, you're going where I'm going, mate.
But at least now we know. Such a day.
We're stopped right now.
I would, but I haven't got a show. We're going forward.
Well, what do you reckon? Should we try and... You haven't got a strong thing on the back, that's all.
We'll go forward, see what happens. I just don't want you getting stuck as well.
Again.
I just don't want you getting stuck as well. Don't worry. I don't know what happened there. How are you doing? Yeah, that's you going to Arsenal. Sorry, mate. Okay. Yeah, babe.
Yeah.
This is a bad idea.
It was an idea. That way, we'll
I've got to go back. With that long work, you'll have to go get speed. You have to get speed so we can dig ourselves out. What have we done here, what are we?
Washing it.
What a fuck. This was not my idea, this was Rory's idea. But you made it look so easy. Yeah, it weighs like half a ton. Durango, 3.2. The car's died. The car's died. Punt? Yep.
Yeah. Hooray! Hooray! And so we did it.
You know what you need to say, Rory?
Easy. How was that? Right.
I wasn't convinced she was coming out.
Neither was I. So we've got two things we can do now. Either go back on this side of the river, cross over at the place where we know we can cross over.
No, I'll straight back through there again.
I think that's our wisest option.
So, yeah, if you want to go further down or...
We can go further
Down.
down.
This doesn't feel...
But this is like what was when we first stopped. Yeah, I think we'll try and get back out of here.
Yeah.
And then, because how are your feet? They're dry. Right, let's
No
get
comment.
let's get on the hitch. Let's get on the hitch and
You're very short.
yeah. I'm dressing for the weather. It's hot.
I did not expect to be going
How
through...
warm is it today? It'd be
Hot.
high 20s, low 30s,
Yeah.
sun clouds in the sky. Light breeze, really nice. Yeah, that was good. I thoroughly enjoyed that.
I wasn't convinced.
Kinetic ropes and FJ all the way.
After 2 attempts.
Yeah, but it's fine. Just chuck the ropes in the back of the FJ. They can dry out in the back. Right, we're going to head that way, maybe, or maybe back across.
After all the eagles attached.
Yeah. Right, we'll see you in a second. Things have been doing stupid shit. It's just adding to the fire. It's good fun, isn't it?
No.